G'day guys, you got Sam and Steve here from R Trucks in Tamworth, your local Western Star and MAN dealer. We're here with a 4800 FXC from the 2021 Brisbane Truck Show. Dorso, what can you tell me about the powerhouse under this hood?
So this truck's fitted with a Detroit DD15, 15 litre engine, 500 horsepower, 1850 newton metres of torque.
That's awesome, mate. And how about the transmission running under it?
So it's got the 18 speed Eaton Fuller Ultra Shift transmission.
That's awesome. Guys, Western Star and R, come and see us. 105 Gunnedah Road, Tamworth. R, twice as good.